It's gonna be so good.
All right, thank you.
I'm excited too.
Let's do 3. Okay. Write your name or handle on it and pin it on the wall. Jeff has. There you go. Grab a pen. Pull on. Oh, you know what you're doing. Thank you. Oh my. Is it coming out?
It's not coming. Oh, it takes time.
Okay, so what we're going to be doing right now is rapid conversations. Okay, so you're each going to have 1 minute to answer a question which we're about to give you. And then you're going to switch partners and there'll be a new question with a new partner. Okay, so Chalice, what is the first question?
What is a social or environmental problem that keeps you awake at night?
What is a social environmental problem that keeps you awake at night? So you have 1 minute and then we'll ring the bell and that's your sign for the other person to start speaking. Okay, go.
Information, like how to get information, how to acquire information, how to share information.
Well, a lot of social and environmental problems keep me up at night.
They were chanting like, you know, you don't have food. So I think that.
It's the only thing that keeps me up, right? Because like,
Away from 1 minute. Oh, there we go.